Here it is. Exterior slate installation. Now keep in mind, installation like this is not for the faint of hearts. It is not easy to do. It is a bit grueling. It takes a lot of time. As you can see, something like this, especially with all these odd angles on the perimeter of this staircase, this exterior entrance staircase, there is not a single square or 45-degree cut. Every single cut is unique and special. Let's show you up here. So we've got risers here. We just squared and capped it off. We sealed every tile and every grout joint. We also enhanced all of this tile. When you enhance it, it pulls out the colors, it blends everything together, it makes it look dark, and of course, enhancing and sealing allows it to beat off the water a lot easier. It is not slippery whatsoever. There is a lot of good texture with slate. But yeah, here it is, project complete. All right, what I'm gonna do is run some video clips on installation on this. Here we go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are doing an exterior tile installation job. This video will explain and talk about, and we will show you how to install slate for a staircase. Install the steps, the risers, everything for an odd angled staircase. We'll show you that right now. Here is our slate. So we have it loaded in the truck right now. A lot of weight. Thank God I've got the F350. Here's the setup, the IQ saw. This saw impresses me every single time we use it on a project. It is wonderful, it cuts great, it does not chip, it is light, it is compact, and we don't have to mess with the water. So here's our slate. We've got the setup over here, trailer over there for debris. Here is the odd angled exterior staircase or front porch, whatever you want to call it. But as you can see, nothing square. It's not 22.5, it's not 45. We will use an angle finder to find our angle and install. Here is the slate. What we like to do is very simple. Lay out a number of 12 by 12 slate pieces to pick and choose which ones match up well together. The client does not like the rust look, so those are going to the side. We're trying to keep it 50-50 with some rust and some blue and some gray. But we will start on this first step here, installing the step as well as the riser. So what's going to happen is simple. It'll start here at this step and flow all the way down there. Thank God it's a beautiful day here. We have a beautiful view. It's time to have some fun. Get to work. Here we go, guys. So we're using a scrap piece of tile as a spacer to make sure our 1/4 inch grout lines line up per step, just like this. As you can see, the bottom of this tile here lines up with this tile above it. Quick and easy. Let's continue. One other thing to mention, when you are working with slate, you may need to back butter some of these tiles quite heavily. Let me quickly show you why. There is a big variance in thickness. As you can obviously see, this top tile compared to the bottom tile. So obviously, you'll need to apply a lot more mortar, back butter, on this thinner tile to bring it up to the level of this one here. Here we are, guys, finalizing the installation of this slate staircase. What we did for all the cuts is dry fit. We cut everything, we set it down without thin set, we dry fit every single angle cut. Now, gotta tell you something right now, not a single one of these cuts were square. We're at a 45, we had to use an angle finder for every single cut. So we're cutting risers today. Those will be installed. Here's all of our cuts. Again, every single cut on each side of this staircase are not square, are not a 45. Each cut was unique. So like I said, these are all dry fit. All of the cuts here, we're gonna pull them, set them today. This staircase will be completed today. We will prep, seal, and grout tomorrow. Here we go. Cutting 96 pieces of slate for the risers. Here we go.